Hi students, focal chord means focal chord which passes through focus of parabola, that is called focal chord. Double ordinate which passes through the point P on the parabola and perpendicular to the axis of parabola, that is called double ordinate. And the latus rectum, the chord which passes through the focus and is perpendicular to the axis of parabola, that is called latus rectum. Okay, next the length of latus rectum. Latus rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is 4a. The length of latus rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 4x is 4a. Length of latus rectum. See here, this is the parabola. Vertex 0, 0, focus is a, 0. So latus rectum means the chord which passes through focus and is perpendicular to this axis of parabola. Let the point is L dash. So this is A. So this is also A. Let A comma y1, a comma minus y1 are the end points of latus rectum. Okay, na? So this is distance A, this is also A. So a comma y1, a comma minus y1. L, a comma y1, L dash, a comma minus y1 are the end points. End points of latus rectum. Now since L, a comma y1 lies on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, implies y1 square is equal to 4a into a, 4a square, implies y1 is equal to plus or minus 2a. Therefore, L, a comma 2a, L dash, a comma minus 2a. So these are the end points of latus rectum. These are end points of latus rectum. I can write LR means latus rectum. Now length is equal to, what is the length? L dash is equal to, so this is a minus a, 0, 2a minus of minus 2a, that is 4a. Therefore, the length of latus rectum of the parabola is 4a. And the end points of latus rectum, see here, a comma 2a, a comma minus 2a are the end points of latus rectum. Next one, focal distance. Focal distance. P is a point on the parabola with focus S. Then SP is called focal distance. P is a point on the parabola with focus S. Then SP is called focal distance. SP is called focal distance. Okay. Next one, the focal distance of the point, focal distance of the point Px1, y1 on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax is mod of x1 plus a, focal distance. See, the point is Px1 comma y1. Focus is a comma 0. Focus a comma 0. Now focal distance means what? Focal distance. SP is called focal distance, where that is the distance between the 2 points x1 minus a whole square plus y1 square. So this is equal to root of x1 square plus a square minus 2ax1 plus what is y1 square is equal to? Y1 square is equal to 4ax1. So this is 4ax1. So this is root of x1 square plus a square plus 2ax1. That is root of x1 plus a whole square. That is equal to mod of x1 plus a. So focal distance formula, mod of x1 plus a. That is called focal distance. Write down one problem based on focal distance. Find the coordinates of the point of the point on the parabola coordinates of the point on the parabola y square is equal to 8x whose focal distance is 10. Whose focal distance is 10. Y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to 4ax. Comparing with standard form, 4ax. 4a is equal to 8, implies a is equal to 2. Focal distance formula mod of x1 plus a is equal to given 10. So this is mod of x1 plus a is 2 is equal to 10. Implies x1 plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 10. If x1 plus 2 is equal to plus 10, implies x1 is equal to 8. Okay na? If x1 plus 2 is equal to minus 10, implies x1 is equal to minus 12. x1 is equal to 8 implies what is y1? Since the point lies on the parabola, y1 square is equal to 8x1. That is 8 into 8, 64. Therefore, y1 is equal to plus or minus 8. Okay, now, therefore, the points are points 8 comma plus or minus 8. If x1 is equal to minus 12, y1 square is equal to 8x1, 8 into minus 12, which is less than 0, it is not possible. Because y1 square not negative value. So, if x1 is equal to 8, y1 equal to plus or minus 8. Therefore, the point or points 8 comma 8 and 8 comma minus 8. Next one, different forms of parabola. Different forms of parabola. In the equation of parabola, first one, type 1. In the equation of parabola, y square is equal to 4ax, where a is positive. Different forms of parabola. First one, in the equation of parabola y square equal to 4x, where a is treated as always positive. So this is the general form y square equal to 4x. So here the curve is symmetric about x-axis. Vertex is 0, 0, focus a, 0, and z coordinates minus a, 0, equation of directrix x plus a equal 0, equation of tangent x equal 0, equation of axis y equal to 0. So, vertex 0, 0, focus a, 0, and equation of directrix x minus a, x plus a equal to 0. Now, equation of tangent at vertex. This is y-axis, means x equal to 0. Now, equation of axis y equal to 0. Equation of axis is y is equal to 0. So, this is equation of axis. So, here this is called latus rectum. What are the endpoints of lattice rectum? Endpoints of lattice rectum. So this point is a comma 2a and a comma minus 2a are the endpoints of lattice rectum. This is type 1. Next one, type 2. In the equation of parabola, y square is equal to minus 4ax, where a is always positive. A is positive. Suppose if you take a is equal to 1, then y square equal to minus 4x. X equal to 0, y value 0. X value, negative value only it is defined. Because minus 4 into negative value. Suppose if you take a value is 1. A is 1. Minus 4x. X value negatives only, then only it is defined. If you write x equal to minus 1, y is plus or minus 2. Minus 2 plus or minus something. Minus 3 plus or minus something. Therefore, the parabola is like this. This is the parabola. So, this is x-axis. This is y-axis. Vertex of parabola 0, 0. This is focus minus a, 0. So in this side, negative x-axis. And this is the z coordinates a, 0. Equation of directrix x equal to a, that is x minus a equal to 0. Now equation of tangent at vertex means y-axis, x equal to 0. So this is equation of axis. Y equal to 0. Okay. So vertex. So here vertex A is 0, 0. Focus minus a, 0. L is directrix. Equation of directrix is x minus a equal to 0. Tangent at vertex. Tangent is x equal to 0. Equation of axis y equal to 0. Okay now, and the endpoints of lattice rectum. So this is minus a comma, so this is 2a, and this is minus a comma minus 2a for the parabola y square equal to minus 4x are the endpoints of lattice rectum. Okay, ends are endpoints of LR. I can write LR means lattice rectum. Endpoints are minus a comma 2a and minus a comma minus 2a. These are the endpoints of lattice rectum. Next one, third one. In the equation of parabola, x square is equal to 4ay, where a is positive. X square equal to 4ay. So, x powers are even, therefore the curve is symmetric about y-axis. Like this. Suppose if you take a is 1, y is x square equal to 4y. If y is equal to 0, x 0. If y equal to 1, x is plus or minus 2. Okay na? X equal to, y equal to 2, x equal to plus or minus something. Therefore, the graph is parabola is symmetric about y-axis. So, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. vertex of parabola is 0, 0. Focus lies on y-axis on the positive side. So this is 0, a. And z coordinates 0, minus a. So equation of this directrix y equal to minus a, that is y plus a equal to 0. So equation of tangent y equal to 0. Equation of axis x equal to, this is axis, x equal to 0. What is vertex is 0, 0. Focus 0, a. Equation of directrix y plus a equal to 0. Equation of tangent at vertex y is equal to 0. This is called axis. Equation of axis x equal to 0. Okay, and n points of latus rectum. So these are the points. Okay, n points of latus rectum. So here it is. Distance is what? This is here. These are the points. N points of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is what? 4a. 4a. N points means what? So this is 1 point. So this is 2a, a. Distance is 2a and this is y. This is also y. This is also y. So this is minus 2a, a. Okay, na? End points of latus rectum. End points of LR, latus rectum. So this is 2a, a and minus 2a, a. Okay, na? So this is a, 0, a. This is a units. This is also a units. This is also a units. So this is 2a and this is distance is minus 2a. 2a, a and minus 2a, a are the ends of latus rectum. Next one, in the equation of parabola x square equal to minus 4ay, where a is positive. In the equation of parabola x square equal to minus 4ay. So the parabola is like this, downward parabola. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Vertex 0, 0. Focus 0, minus a. So this is z coordinates 0, a. Equation of directrix y equal to a, that is y minus a equal to 0. Equation of tangent at vertex y equal to 0. Equation of axis, this is x equal to 0. And n points of latus rectum. N points of latus rectum. So this is what a units. So these are the coordinates minus 2a, a. So in fourth quadrant. Okay, na? So this is here. X is positive, y is negative. So 2a, minus a, and it is, this is minus 2a, minus a, third quadrant. Okay, this is minus a. So this is also minus a, minus a, minus a. So this, what about this one? Here the distance is what? 2a, and this is what? Minus 2a. So n points of latus rectum. 2a, minus a, and minus 2a, minus a. Okay, na? Vertex 0, 0. Focus 0, minus a. Equation of directrix y minus a equal to 0. tangent at vertex. Tangent at vertex. So this is tangent at vertex, y equal to 0. Equation of axis. Axis is x equal to 0. So endpoints of lattice rectum. Ends of lattice rectum. Endpoints of lattice rectum are 2a comma minus a and minus 2a comma minus a. Next one, fifth one, it is an important one. The equation y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha. Represents a parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Axis is parallel to x-axis. Y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus alpha represents a parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Suppose this is x-axis and y-axis. So this is y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha. This is just like y square is equal to 4ax form, where x is equal to what? X equal to x minus alpha, and where y is equal to y minus beta. Okay, that means without changing the direction of axis, shift the origin to the point alpha comma beta. Without changing the direction of axis, shift the origin to the point alpha comma beta. Then you know that x is equal to what? X plus h. H means what? Alpha. And y is equal to what? Y plus k. K is beta. That implies capital X equal to x minus alpha. Capital Y equal to y minus beta. That is the meaning. So without that transformation, just I will explain. This is of the form, okay, y square is equal to 4x form. For y square is equal to 4x, this is the parabola. Y square equal to 4ax parabola. What is vertex of parabola? 0, 0. What is focus is a, 0. Now for this parabola, just I can put here, I can put the parabola, this one, here I can put the parabola. Means without changing the direction of axis, shift the origin to this parabola alpha comma beta. So this is vertex. Okay na? So this is of the form y square is equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x, just I can just take and put the parabola here. So alpha comma beta is vertex. Now according to this, what about AS equal to distance is A units. So this is also A units. A, the focus is what? This is A units, and here this is alpha and this is beta. Alpha and beta. Distance for y axis to this is A, this is alpha plus A. Therefore focus is alpha plus A, comma, here it is beta. Here the focus lies on x axis, y coordinate is 0. So okay, but here focus lies on a line which is parallel to x axis. Now this distance is what? Beta. So this is also beta. Now similarly, z coordinates are, this is alpha plus A comma beta, this reflection. So this is alpha minus A comma beta. Alpha minus A comma beta. Now vertex alpha comma beta, focus alpha plus A comma beta. So equation of directrix. So this is the directrix. X equal to, this is a straight line, alpha minus A. Equation of, this is tangent vertex, x equal to alpha. Equation of axis, y is equal to beta. Okay. Now y square is equal to 4x form is a parabola symmetric about x axis. Now for this vertex is vertex A alpha comma beta, focus S alpha plus A comma beta. Equation of directrix, x equal to alpha minus A. Equation of directrix. Now just remove this figure. Equation of directrix is x equal to alpha minus A. Equation of tangent at vertex, x equal to alpha. This is the axis of parabola, y equal to beta. So equation of tangent at vertex is x is equal to alpha. So equation of axis is y is equal to beta. Y equal to beta. Now this is the lattice rectum. So this is alpha plus A, this is alpha plus A, comma, this is alpha plus A. Okay na? Now alpha plus A, comma, this is what? Beta. So this is beta plus 2A, and this is beta minus 2A. These are the endpoints of lattice rectum. Okay na? So this is alpha plus A. This is also alpha plus A. Okay. So this is what? Here this is up to this is beta, and plus this is beta plus 2A, and this is beta minus 2A are the endpoints of lattice rectum. So this is very, very important one. So this important, we have so many problems based on this. Right now. write down note. The equation x is equal to ly square plus my plus n represents a parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Whose axis is parallel to x-axis. So when we are using this one, see here. So this equation and this equation both are same. So how to say this one? Suppose if you take x, I want to take x equal to, so this is, I am taking y square plus 6y plus 11. Okay, now in place of L I am taking 1, in place of M 6, in place of N I take 11. This we write y square plus 6y plus 9 plus 2 is equal to x. So this is y plus 3 whole square is equal to x minus 2. Now this is of the form y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha. So this is x minus alpha. What is alpha beta? Alpha is 2, beta is minus 3. So for this vertex is 2 comma minus 3. Okay, na? And you have to find all the remaining focus, length of lattice rectum, everything. So the equation represents a parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. When we are using this second point, I think this is on a board point of view, this is the 7 marks question. Find the equation of parabola which passes through 3 points, 1 comma 2, suppose minus 5 comma 6 and some minus 3, 3 comma minus 1, passes through 3 points whose axis is parallel to x-axis. If the question is given like this, find the equation of parabola which passes through 3 points whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Since the axis is parallel to x-axis, therefore equation of parabola is of the form x equal to ly square plus my plus n. Since the parabola passes through 1 comma 2, in place of x and y, write 1 comma 2. Then we get a first equation in terms of L, M, N. Passes through second point, second equation. Passes through third point, third equation. By solving these 3 equations, so you get L value and M value and N value. After finding these values, so in place of this, you write the values. Then that is the equation of parabola. Just like a circle, find the equation of circle which passes through 3 points. How to find? Let the equation of circle S equal 0, passes through first point, passes through second point, passes through third point. Like this also, here the axis is parallel to x-axis, equation is x equal to ly square plus my plus n. It passes through 3 points. There are 3 equations in terms of L, M, N. Okay, just you try one problem. Find the equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to x axis which passes through the point points -1, 2, 1, -1 and 2, 1. So since the axis is parallel to x-axis, so equation of parabola is x equal to, you write x equal to what? What is the equation? Ly square plus my plus n equation. It passes through first point, first equation, second point, second equation, third point, third equation. So just like 3 equations. By solving these 3, so get L, M, N values. Next one, second one, find the equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to same x-axis which passes through the points. The points are -2, 1 and 1, 2 and -1, 3. So this is also same model. So solving these 2 equations, okay. So in next class, if the parabola is symmetric about y-axis, so these points are very important point. So in our material also there are so many problems. So, okay, based on this, how to find all, we can discuss next class. Okay, thank you. We solve these 2 problems.